Meaning of extracurricular.
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 Extracurricular. Extracurricular refers to activities that are pursued outside the regular academic curriculum of a school or college. These can be sports, arts, clubs, or volunteer work, among others. Participating in extracurricular activities has been shown to have multiple benefits, such as developing social and leadership skills, enhancing academic performance, and providing opportunities for personal growth and exploration. Students who are involved in extracurricular activities often have a more well-rounded education and are better prepared for future challenges and opportunities. Overall, extracurricular activities play a valuable role in the development of students both academically and personally.